respected school administrator, Reverend Pastora of Recycle the Third, teachers, parents, schoolmates and
Classmates.
and friends.
Good.
Good afternoon to each and everyone. Today we celebrate our very movers as we take our next big step. We have learned, grown, and made wonderful memories for this school year. Thank you to our teachers, families,
And friends.
for your love and support. You will always be our biggest fan. To our nursery, kinder, and preparatory learners,
Movers.
movers, congratulations, and
Keep
keep shining bright. Our journey just begun. Class of 2025, a big applause for our again.
a job well done. Okay mo.
A job well